Hi friends, let me show you this Think Pet Reversible Dog Coat that I received for reviewing purposes. It is nice for your pet if you are going to be with him on a cold weather environment like snow or cold weather. It is reversible, let me show you. You can get the leash connector through this zipper here. It has this elastic band in the belly, so your pet will be comfortable. Okay, you can use it in a reversible way, so you can use it in the brown finish or the green one that you saw already. Okay, it is soft and also it has an inner, it feels thick and comfortable, warm in the inner part. Okay, so let's try it outdoors. I'm going to try it in the brown size. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it fits perfectly. We are going to get the leash accessory here so we can bring it with us. And let me show you, he can do his necessities. He can relieve himself with ease and without splashing the coat. Yeah, perfect. So he will be protected from cold weather with this coat, and you can bring him with you to a snow place or whatever it's called with this coat. Let me show you. Ven, ven. See? You can use the leash without getting rid of the coat. Perfect. If you are going to go out with your pets this cold season, these coats are a perfect option. Okay? And this is with the green side also. So it's fully reversible. Easy to change, easy to put, and nicely to wear. Thank you.